You can see that there's a difference. See the lumps inside, and it's very, very important that your okpa does not have lumps. See how fine the sieved flour is looking. So let's continue. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Iphie. If you're new here, you're highly welcome, and I hope you're doing good. And to my old subscribers, hey, how have you guys been? So on today's video, I'm gonna be teaching you guys how to make okpa. Okpa, it's called Bambara nut in English, yeah. So in this video, I'll be teaching you how to make it. They call it, Igbo people call it okpa, and you know there are people that hawk it. They call it, when they are hawking it, they say okpa dioko. It looks like moi moi, yeah. So but it's not moi moi. So on today's video, I'm gonna be teaching you how to make lovely okpa dioko. And okpa is a very, very good staple food, high in fiber, calcium, phosphorus, and protein. And there are claims that it helps with the heart, with diabetes patients, you know. So why don't you sit back while we cook okpa today? Okay guys, okpa, the main okpa, you make it with just few ingredients, and it comes out really, really well. Okay, so the main ingredients for making okpa or Bambara nut pudding, it's this Bambara nut, the okpa flour itself. Okay, okpa flour itself. Then the next ingredient is salt. Okay, salt. Then this is some habanero pepper that had already been blended. Very, very crucial in making okpa, palm oil. Okay, you know that whenever you see okpa, what makes it unique and why some people know that this is really okpa is when they see the, what is it called, when they see how colorful it is. And the next ingredient we'll be using is stock cube. I know there are videos where you've seen people put onion, put ginger, garlic, fish, and what have you. That's totally fine. We are learning. There are people that are evolving different ways to cook, but trust me, when you make your okpa with these few ingredients that I listed, it will totally turn out fine. You can also agree with me that you've seen people wrapping their okpa with banana or plantain leaves, but I don't have those available today, so I'm going to be wrapping mine with these plastic bags. Okay, I'm sure you would have also seen people wrap their okpa with plastic bags. So the first things first is that you have to sieve the okpa flour. That is why I have it in here. You sieve it, okay. You sieve the okpa flour. I don't know if I've mentioned before, but okpa is a good source of fiber, okay, and an excellent source of calcium and phosphorus. It helps to improve bone health and shield against bone-related diseases, which includes arthritis and all others. It also improves digestive health and forestalls weight gain. So what this means is that my Fit Farm family, okpa is good for you. Yeah, so guys, I'm going to quickly sieve this now and we'll start the cooking proper, the mixing. Yeah. You can see that there's a difference. See the lumps inside. And it's very, very important that your okpa does not have lumps. See how fine the sieved flour is looking. So let's continue. So this is what I don't know what this is, but this is what I saw in my okpa. I'm going to throw this away. So you see why it is important to always sieve your flour. I also do this with the flour that I used to bake. I sieve them first, no matter where I got them from. Okay, so this is the sieved one. So we are going to go ahead. I'll throw this out now and we'll go ahead. By the way, this is 2 cups of okpa. I measured it with this. So let's continue, guys. So I'm going to be, this is stock cube. I'm going to add it into this sieved okpa. Yeah, Then give it a quick stir. Give it a quick stir, yeah. Make sure it is finely mixed into the okpa, yeah. Okay, this part now is the very crucial part, and this is what will either make or mar your okpa to come out really nice. So you put lukewarm water, lukewarm, not hot, not cold, lukewarm. I had to ensure that this water is lukewarm before I poured it into this bowl. After adding the lukewarm water, you go in with your palm oil. Yes, guys, you go in with your palm oil. I think this should be fine, but let me add a little more. But along the way, if it's not, you can add more, but it's usually better to start it out well. So you stir it very quickly and add the okpa flour into this. So you stir. Oh, looks like my water is too much, but let's see. You stir and mix it and ensure there are no lumps, okay? Yeah. Guys, I forgot to mention that before you even start to mix your okpa, you should put water in a pot to boil, because you don't mix your okpa and keep it without putting it in a hot boiling water. It will affect it. Yeah, some people say it makes it, the colors, some parts will be, the color won't be uniform, the consistency would look somehow. So boil water while you're mixing, so that immediately you finish mixing, you put it straight into the boiling water. Okay guys, so this is it. You mix it and ensure there are no lumps. I want to quickly add that the consistency of my own is a bit watery, so you should be careful while you're adding water so that it doesn't go that watery. But it's not totally that bad, but I know I can do better. Okay, so what I'm going to be adding next is the fresh pepper. At this juncture, if you are one of those that have all those other ingredients like crayfish, and all those other stuff, this is the time to add it. Then I'm also adding salt. Now I'm gonna quickly give this a quick stir and taste, then we go to wrapping it. Yes please. So a quick stir. Remember that I added my stock cube rather earlier. If you didn't add your stock cube to the ground of a mixture, feel free to add it now, or if you taste it and feel that you still need to add more, this is the time to do that. Yeah, okay, tasted okay. I'll go ahead and wrap my okpa and start putting them into the boiling water. Yeah, just a pretty easy method. Just take it and turn it into the plastic bag. Yes, if you feel your plastic bag is too light, feel free to double it so that the okpa doesn't burst in the pot. Yeah, but I think this plastic bag is okay. So I'll quickly just put this into the boiling water now, okay, and continue to wrap the rest. Thank you. So guys, I quickly noticed something. Because the water I put into this okpa wasn't really big, I noticed that it kind of started separating the oil from the mixture. So what I did was that I had to top it up. Okay, so let this be also be a learning point for you watching me. Make sure your water is quite enough, okay, so that you don't go into this kind of mess. Okay, so let's see. You let it cook for about between 45 minutes to 1 hour. You keep checking it to be sure it's fine. Yeah guys, this is exactly 1 hour after and it's looking good. So I'm going to turn this off and take out the okpa to cool. You should never eat your okpa when it's hot like this. So I'm going to turn it off and take it and let it cool and serve it. Yeah, so guys, our okpa dioku is ready. I'm going to quickly unwrap one. It's a bit cool now, so I'm going to quickly unwrap one and taste it. Please, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, I'm begging you one more time, please now subscribe, so that you're one of the first persons to get a notification. And for those of you that are subscribed, please, I would also like to add, can you please be liking my videos? Because what it does is that it makes other people see the videos. I can't be having 100 views on my videos and I'm having like 6 likes. Please guys, I really need your likes. It's very, very important to my growth on YouTube. So guys, this is it. I doubled this particular nylon. Okay, so like I said, if you haven't subscribed, kindly subscribe. So I'm going to cut it and have this is my first time of making okpa. I know this is not the perfect it's not a perfect okpa, but trust me, I'm so excited. What it means, I know my mistakes and areas of improvement. What this means now is that I can comfortably make okpa, and I'm going to place more order for okpa flour, the Bambara nut flour. I actually order mine from Abba, so I'll taste it now. Oh my goodness, guys, this is so tasty and yummy. I'm glad I can make okpa from home, and you should too. So thank you so much guys for watching, and see you in my next video. Bye guys.